Welcome to Best Bits Tip of the Day. Today we're going to be talking about using a composite rate of pay to simplify your labor. So you always have to use 100% of your man hours. So in this case, a person chose to use 25, 25, 25, and 25, equaling 100. If you right click and select sum, you can see that's 100%, and you know you're correct. So they have a guy making 55, 35, 27, and 22. So they've entered 4 rates of pay, and they've used 4 different allocations. 25 4 times equals 100. So you would hit save and close, go to your summary sheet, and you have $501.74 as the final price. So we're going to go back to the labor. We're going to talk about using a composite rate of pay. So a composite rate of pay would be these 4 guys, 55, 35, 27, 22. That's $139 total. 139 divided by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, is $34.75. And the total was $501.74. So instead of using 4 rates of pay, you can use 1 rate at $34.75 and accomplish the same thing. So I have $34.75 already entered. I'm going to put 100% of the man hours. Now we just have 1 rate of pay. I'm going to hit save and close, and we'll go to the summary, and we have the exact same price, $501.74. We accomplished that with just using 1 rate of pay, the composite rate. Hope that simplifies your labor. Thank you very much for watching. Have a blessed day.